Hello everyone, this is Madhnandan. I am an AFO at Canara Bank. In this video, we are going to see the steps after provisional allotment. Firstly, I would like to congratulate everyone who are provisionally selected and heartily welcome you to the banking sector. Okay, now let us look into the procedure after provisional allotment. Till now, you might have followed IBPS website, but after provisional selection, you have to follow your respective bank website. And there are 5 basic steps or procedures after provisional allotment, of which first step is list of provisionally selected candidates will be displayed in your respective bank's website, and then you will get mail regarding document verification and training dates, and then we will have document verification, and then you will have training for about 2 or 3 weeks. After that, joining will be taken place. Okay, now let us see each one of these steps in detail. First one is selected candidate list will be displayed in the respective bank's website. Now I will show in my bank, that is Canara Bank. First we have to open our official website, for example canarabank.com. In that we have to go through careers option. Then in careers window there will be option for recruitment. We have to go through the recruitment option. Then after opening the recruitment page, just scroll down the page so that we can see the list of selected candidates. This is IBPS 9 list, and IBPS 10 list may be posted in October or November month for Canara Bank, and for other banks it will be different. Here we can see multiple options, of which first one is second allotment list, that is last year withhold candidates list, and second option is list of withhold candidates. Third one is cancellation, maybe due to many reasons. Fourth one is provisional selected list. This you have to go through it. In this we have to search our name whether it is there or not. For example, my name, that is Marri Madhukar. Okay, here is my name. Like that your name will be displayed in your provisional selected list. This list was posted on November 2nd of 2020 for IBPS 9, and within 1 week you will get mail regarding document verification and training dates. Okay, now let us see all the mails in detail. This is the first mail that I got from Canara Bank. This mail I received on November 4th of 2020, that is 2 days after the posting of a provisional list in the website. Okay, in this mail we are provided with the DV date, that is document verification date, and the training dates. If we see the mail, here the document verification date is 22nd of November, and from 23rd November to 5th December is my training period or induction period. In second mail, I have received the formats of documents which I have to take into the document verification. Okay, here there will be formats like attestation form, character certificate, medical certificate, and some for scrutiny certificates. And these formats we have to take printout, and we have to duly fill and sign, and then we have to take for document verification. And the third mail I have received on November 6, 2020. This is about appointment order, and the hard copy also will be sent through post to our residential address. We have to take this appointment order for the document verification. If anyone wants these mails, just comment your mail ID in the description box below so that I can forward these mails to your mail ID. And the third step is document verification. On document verification day, first they will take biometric verification for twice, and then they will provide us one checklist to arrange the documents in order, and then our document verification will be done according to the checklist. On document verification, I will do a separate video, and I will also send what are the documents required for document verification through mail. Just comment your mail ID in the description box below. And the fourth step is training or induction program, which will be conducted for about 2 or 3 weeks depending upon the bank. Some banks will conduct training immediately after document verification, whereas some banks may take some time like 2 weeks or 1 month after document. And on the last day of training or induction program, they will provide us the posting letter or posting order, which contains the location of our posting and the date of our joining. And joining is the final step. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video, and do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubts, just comment in the description box below.